Hello and welcome back. Today we are going to see 25 different ways to replace again and again, every now and then, from time to time and again, now and then, now and again, over and over, all the time, once again, one more time, day in, day out, on many occasions, most of the time, day and night, morning, noon, night, 1,000 times, once and again, without stopping, on and on, 24/7 or 24/7, 1,000 times, almost always, the entire time, without rest, day by day, round the clock, at every turn. Now it's your turn. Make a sentence by using any one of these expressions and write it in the comment section. For more English lessons, just like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. Keep learning, keep growing, learn English with Shivkanya. Thanks for watching.